Hello student, welcome to my class. Now in the last class we have discussed some question with the similarity, but criteria of the similarity that's applied. Some more question to be discussed. Two important question we like to discuss today now. First of all, one question you are having. See that question. If PA, QB and RC. First see the question. PA, QB and RC all are perpendicular. Each is perpendicular to whom? Perpendicular to AC. And then some values are given such that, what is that one? PA equal to X. If I draw the figure then it will be clear. RC equal to Y and QB equal to Z. And sometimes ABBC's measurement also will be given, or if it is not given then also you have to suppose that's one. And AB equal to A and BC equal to B. That is given. That's meant. To prove you 1 by Jx plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. Now that is very important type of question. First of all, if I draw the figure, it is perpendicular to all, means AC you are having, that is on AC everyone is perpendicular. First of all, you are having PA, suppose like that's one. PA is perpendicular to AC and C point which one? RC. Suppose that is perpendicular. Suppose that's one. RC. Then QB is in the middle somewhere it will be, but some condition will be where they intersect. That will be the point of that's one, Q. That is QB is also perpendicular. That is given to you. And on the figure, if I write PA, that is suppose X, RC equal to Y, QB is your Z. So with these three relations you have to find out. 1 by X plus 1 by Y plus 1 by Z equal to 1 by Z. Here ABBC is not used. If it is given, alright, not given to anything you can suppose. Suppose AB has taken, that is given, A and BC, B. If it is not given, you can take X, AB, PQ, anything you can take. So now you have to get the relation between X, Y, Z. Observe the figure. One condition, everyone perpendicular. So if we want to see various types of various triangles you are getting. One you can get with X and Z, that is QBC and PSC. Our Z and Y. So Z is the common part there, both the triangle. That's right, QBA and RCA. So that's why Z with that one we have taken the triangle. The selection of the triangle is very important. With Z and X. So you can say smaller triangle first. That is one side you will have QBC triangle. In triangle QBC and triangle PAC. See these two triangles. Which part you can get equal? This angle 90 here, this angle also 90 because perpendicular is given. So ultimately QBC angle is equal to PAC angle because each one is equal to 90 degree. One angle you have proved equal. Now you have to get the another angle. That is very simple. See the figure QBC, PAC. So this angle C means QCB angle and PCA angle, same angle. That is the common angle you have. So what you can say, angle QCA is equal to angle PCA. That is your common. So ultimately angle criteria is satisfied. Therefore you can say triangle QBC is similar to the triangle. Naming, that's very important. Again and again I am saying angle B is equal to angle A. So B middle point, there you will have the A middle point. C is corresponding C. So C last, here also C last. So C, A you got, you have P. That is angle criteria. So you have to get the relation between ZXAB. So Z means QB, means first second. No need to see the figure if you have given the proper naming. QB by PA is equal to, here you are having BC, B is known, BC, second, third, it will AC. From there you can get QB means it is given Z, PA means it is having X, BC means you have B, and AC means total A plus B. A relation, one relation you got. First, that's one you have to write, you get that one. Now we'll go with the that's one. Same thing, Y and Z if you want to do, just the question part I am having. After this you will get. What do you have? This triangle QAB, again in triangle QAB and triangle RAC, same thing you are having. See, this is also 90 degree. So that side you can say QBA angle is equal to RCA angle, because each one is 90 degree, as well as this one is common angle. So you can say QAB angle is equal to RAC angle. So ultimately QAB triangle is similar to the triangle. Angle B is equal to angle C. So B last, so you will have the C last. A is equal to A. A you are having middle, so you will keep A as middle. So for the larger triangle you got A and C. Left is first one R. That's naming to be done. Again you are having the values QB first third by RC equal to AB is known, AB second third by AB second third is equal to AC. That means देखो क्या हुआ, QB means Z by RC means Y equal to AB means A by AC means A plus B. These two relations you got. But you have to prove what's 1 by x plus 1 by z. Plus to be find out. So add 1 and 2. देखो तो what you will get, z by x plus z by y is equal to b by a plus b plus a by a plus b. Now you have to prove this one. So how can we do? See, in the left side you can get common z. So what it will be, 1 by x plus 1 by y left, and there you can get the LCM a plus b. So ultimately b plus a by a plus b जो भी लिखो same thing. So numerator denominator whole will be cancelled. It is coming 1. So z you have taken that side. So it is coming 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1. This z has taken 1 by z. That is one of the important type of proving we have. Then we have to do some more questions. Simple question you are having. You will practice that one. First of all, you have to select the triangle properly. Then you can get that one. So in that, suppose some questions in the exercise also you will have. I think you have done this one. I can rub the board. Okay. Now the next simple one question I would like to see. If a perpendicular is drawn, then some relation between the parts of the sides by sides you have to get. Means applying the similarity you have to do. In the exercise it is question number 9. That's question what it is given. See, in the given figure ABC angle equal to 90 degree and BD is perpendicular to AC. If BD equal to 8 centimeter, AD equal to 4 centimeter, find CD. From the given figure, ABC angle is 90 degree given. ABC is 90 degree, and second condition, BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC, and the measurement is given. BD equal to 8 centimeter, AD equal to 4 centimeter, and CD to be found out. So from this given condition, similarity is most important part. First of all, selection of triangle. In this case, this part BD is the part of this smaller two triangle, because you are having the two smaller triangle and whole triangle. Three triangles you have. But the parts are given. BD, common part, both the smaller triangle. One smaller triangle part is given, other smaller triangle part to find out. So the relation between two smaller triangle, BAD and BCD, you have to get. So first of all, these two triangle, one angle dekho common, one angle 90 degree each. Alright. Now you have to get the another angle. So first of all, you can find out this angle, that angle, any one angle relation. So that's why the whole triangle and any one triangle first of all you will take. In triangle ABC, you have ABC angle equal to 90 degree. That means rest two angle sum is equal to 90 degree. In simple language, you can say BAC, BAD and BCA, BCD, jo bhi bolo, that is equal to their sum to be 90 degree. Okay? And take any smaller triangle. Triangle BAD. This is 90 degree given. So you can say ABD angle plus A angle, that's one you can say as the A angle, is equal to 90 degree. That's one A angle, this one B angle you can say. That's why you can say A plus B angle equal to 90 degree. Suppose this is angle 1, equation 1. So from these two equation 1 and 2, AB 90 degree, here these two sum 90 degree. So from 1 and 2, what we are getting, A plus B is equal to ABD plus angle A. So both side angle A to be removed. So angle B is equal to ABD. This angle is equal to ABD, this angle. So two angles we got. Now two triangles you will take, any name you can give. ABD, this angle, and angle B. B means, there you had B, that is what? BCA means angle C. So it will be angle C. So angle C is equal to, this angle is equal to that angle. That's what. Triangle C is equal to, so you can say to triangle BCD and ABD, जो required to smaller triangle. Because simply small C angle, this angle is equal to that angle, means angle ABD. You can say that is proved. And both you are having this triangle, first you are writing. So BDC angle is equal to ADB angle, because each one is equal to 90 degree. Then what we can get? You can get after that, the two angles are equal. That means by angle criteria, we can say, again I am saying the naming, BCD similar to the triangle. See, angle C of this triangle is B angle equal. So in the place of C, that triangle you will write B. And D angle is equal to D. So last it will be D, middle B, last D. So for this triangle, D has gone, B has gone, A is left. Angle criteria. Now you have to get what's the part is given, just for example BD. So BD by first side AD is equal to CD to be find out, second, third, and their BT is given. So their measurement, if we put 8 units, you are having the centimeter, here last we will write. 8 is given 4. CD to be find out is all you will have the centimeter. If you want to write, you can write. So ultimately CD equal to 8 into 8 by 4, that's my centimeter. So you are getting CD equal to 16 centimeter. So in this way, we can connect with one another. So that's 7B exercise to be completed, that's to be done, okay? And then next class we will do to the next one, okay? Thank you.